Welcome to Langevin Learning Services, the world's largest train-the-trainer company. For over 35 years, Langevin has been a provider of highly renowned workshops and professional certification programs for both trainers and business professionals. Whether you manage a training department, design or deliver training, or maybe you're looking to facilitate more effective meetings, brush up on your influencing skills, polish your presentation skills, or master the virtual classroom, we have a workshop for you. More than 20,000 trainers have completed their Langevin certification. You too can gain the skills and credibility you need to have a real impact in your organization, as well as gaining recognition as an industry expert. Our world-class master trainers are passionate about what they do and committed to providing an exceptional training experience every time. We have a proven track record of supporting Fortune 500 clients and have trained over 120,000 people from more than 100 countries. You'll walk away with renewed focus, enthusiasm, and efficiency. Our approach is to do it, not just talk about it. If you can't attend one of our in-person public workshops, we'll bring us on site to your organization. Or you can attend live online synchronous training from the comfort of your own home or office. Langevin has more to offer than ever before, and we're here to meet your training needs. We look forward to seeing you in a workshop soon.